guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime I've got. This is really good slime. You might not be able to see what it is, but I'll show you. So it has different foam beads in, and it's really nice. If you come and look, it's really good. This one's Ashley's. Really good, and Ash. And this is good. And if you don't ask us how we make it, please, because we actually got it from our friend's mum. She makes it and sells it.
Shout out to Amy Galaxy.
Amy Galaxy, shout out to you. So yeah, it's really, really satisfying.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Can I also mention something? I'm going to be doing a video about my house tour again. House tour. I'm going to be doing a house tour for you. That will probably be getting uploaded by later on, about 6 o'clock tonight, won't it, Ashley?
Yeah.
So we'll do it today, and it'll be uploaded tonight. And this one will be uploaded tonight probably as well. Well, you know what I mean by tonight. But it'll be uploaded now for you. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this morning's video. It's not morning, but you know, we were out. And this is our slime, so
Feels like morning.
thanks, guys. Bye.